Tailor and the Elephant. Once there lived a tailor in a village. An elephant also lived in the same village. The elephant visited the tailor's shop every day. The tailor fed him with something or the other. They lived like good friends. One day, the tailor was not in a good mood. When the elephant came to his shop, he pricked its trunk with a needle. The elephant went to the river and filled his trunk with plenty of mud and dirt. He came running to the tailor's shop. He emptied his trunk all over the tailor and his shop. The tailor was splashed with dirt. Next day, the tailor asked forgiveness from the elephant and fed him with fresh fruits and vegetables. Moral of the story is, do not expect any good in return of bad.